Today, jurors heard opening statements in the trial of two former Ohio State football players accused of kidnapping and raping another student.
The victim testified today. 10 TV's Lindsay Mills was in court all day, and she joins us live outside the Franklin County courtroom with what was said today. Lindsay?
Yolanda and Andrew, good evening. It's been almost 3 years exactly this month since that alleged crime was reported to police. At the center of this case, cell phone video that was shown today. And we want to warn you, details of the testimony that were revealed today are disturbing. Opening arguments were heard Tuesday in the case of two former OSU football players, both facing charges of kidnapping and rape. Amir Reep and Jocelyn Wint have both pleaded not guilty.
At the end of this trial, I will ask you to find both defendants guilty.
She's lying, and I will prove it.
Taking the stand in her own defense today, the woman who reported to police she was raped by Reep and Wint. The judge ordered us not to show images of the woman used as evidence in the case. A victim's advocate also asked us to not show her face or use her name. Our camera did not record her testimony. Testimony revealed prior to the alleged incident, the woman and Reep exchanged messages on Snapchat, eventually agreeing to hang out. She testified there were no romantic undertones to their messages. She agreed to hang out with Reep the night of February 4th, 2020. She says Reep forced her to have sex and she had no opportunity to say no. She also says Reep pinned her in place while Wint forced oral sex on her. Cell phone video was shown in court, taken moments after the alleged incident. Both sides saying it's this video that serves as important evidence.
Amir Reep took out his cell phone and had her record a video that you'll see saying that it was consensual. I want you to pay close attention to who says what and how they sound.
You're going to hear the reason why Amir uses this video is because that's what he's taught to do. In fact, the Monday before this happened on Tuesday, there was a team meeting, the Ohio State players, where they said, always make sure you get it on record that whatever you did was consensual.
Lawyers representing Reep and Wint say their clients are innocent and question the woman's documentation to a detective about the timeline and details of the event, casting doubt in her account of what happened. To many questions asked in the cross-examination, the woman responded, "I don't remember." Now, when the men were arrested, OSU football dismissed them from the team. If convicted, they both face up to 33 years in prison and would have to register as sex offenders. Witness testimony is expected to resume tomorrow. Live outside the courtroom, Lindsay Mills, 10 TV News.
All right, thank you, Lindsay. Now, we know that this case can be triggering for some people. If you or someone you know experienced sexual violence, there is help available. Just call the Ohio Sexual Violence Hotline. That number is on your screen, 844-644-6435. We've also posted this resource in this story on 10tv.com.